This is a tutorial on how to install a 10-foot yoga strap into what is called the backpack. This is a technique that was designed by Lyle with the vocal yoga method. It strives to improve your posture by creating a long, tall spine, a long neck, a wide open chest, so that you can achieve an open, receptive posture for public speaking, for singing, whether you're seated or standing. The purpose of the backpack is to help you conquer the effects of the hunched over shoulder position that we often have when we're sitting throughout our days, or perhaps you are also in the fight or flight mode. The benefits of the backpack are immediately noticeable once you remove the strap. This creates the muscle memory for your shoulders to be in the rolled back position with a wide, expansive chest. It feels really great whenever you have more freedom in your shoulders. Again, we're counteracting what we call in modern society tech neck, from bending over our devices or feeling constantly stressed in the fight or flight mode where we're hunched forward. So again, when you remove the backpack, you will feel a freedom within the shoulders to simply roll the shoulders back. The more often you install the backpack, you have established muscle memory, so that whenever you are on a Zoom call or a video conference or standing up in front of an audience to perform or public speak, you immediately know how to assume that correct posture for powerful public speaking and performing. A 10-foot yoga strap will fit most body types. You will start by folding the strap in half so that you create two equal ends. Taking the middle point of the strap, turning around, starting on your back. It is called the backpack. Placing the strap approximately the position of your shoulder blades. You will take one side of the strap and drape it over your shoulders, reaching high up on the neck. You really want to create a very long, tall neck. We have many, many little tiny muscles in the neck, and those get very tight as we are sitting throughout our day or hunched over. So at this point, it looks like this from the front, from the side, and the back. Take the two ends and cross them on your back. Adjusting the strap, so again, it's very high up on the neck. When you pull the ends down, you can already begin to feel the sensation of a lengthening in the neck and the rolling back effect of the shoulders. You can cross the strap in the front and tie it at the position of your rib cage here. Or if you have a D-ring on your yoga strap, you can loop it through, whichever you choose. I personally find that I can get a more snug effect if I tie mine. With the backpack installed, you cannot roll forward. Well, you can roll forward, but it's pretty uncomfortable. It's designed to keep your shoulders in the rolled back position. From the side, from the back, from the side, and again from the front. So in this position, whenever you are speaking, whether you're seated or standing, you can have the ability to have that wide, expansive chest, keeping your arms in a position where you can gesture off to the side as opposed to in front of you, which creates a lot of distraction whenever you're public speaking.